So today I got one of these Mini Brands mini fridge to fill the fridge, and I'm excited to show you guys what I see in here. I've been looking for them forever. Actually, well, not forever, recently. I had seen a video about it, and I was like, oh, I need this. So let me get started. Okay. Alright, I want to start getting this paper off. The cool thing about this is it comes with the UV light, so I can do the make it stuff now and then, also for my kids. Now that I got all the wrapping off, I got the light on. So I have, let's see how many lights I have. Here's the light. That's the blue light. So I shut that. I got the freezer. Alright, so I'm gonna put this back in here for this drawer. Okay, we're just gonna put this in here for now until I figure out where it's supposed to go. So we're going to open these while. See what's in here. Ooh, I got the shelves. So I gotta put the shelves together. Whoop! Oh! And my magnet. Oh! And I got a magnet. I got watermelon magnet. And I got ice scooper for the freezer. And I got a strawberry vanilla lollipop. That's pretty cool. I love Mini Brands. I've been a fan of them since they came out. So now I gotta hide my fridge so I can keep a collection going. Oh, what did I get here? Ooh, I got a cover. What else do I have? And Mini Brands glue. So I got a glue. So what's that for? And I got 3 oranges. I got 3 oranges on the plate. So that's exciting. Okay, so this is the oranges go in here. So I gotta make that for this thing. For this whole glue jello mold deal. So I will be making that in a little bit with my UV light after I put the rest of it away.
So I got a Mini Brands minis for my fill the fridge. So I'm going to show you this a while. I have to upload the fridge one still. handy trick to pop these open. Cha! Ooh, a new magnet for my fridge. Ooh, baguettes. Here you go. I can zoom. I can get it to focus. There we go. Focused in. Alright. So we're going to see which we have for the mini minis. Ooh, I got Annie and soft pretzels. And I got honey ham. And what's this one? Ooh, bacon. Now the regular mini brands. Ooh, I got a frozen chicken, which I can go in my freezer now. Which I accidentally threw in my tongs for my fridge. Dumb enough. Dumb me decided to do. I was like, shoot, this is so stupid. Oh, got eggplants. What's the last one? Ooh, fresh milk. Wait, if it'll focus. There we go. Focus. There we go. So I got this, bacon, soft pretzels, eggplant, ham, and my magnet of baguettes. So now I'm excited to get some more. I need to get some more mini brand stuff so I can open for you guys. But I'm glad you got to see it. And hopefully I can get some more soon. I wish they were cheaper, or I would get like 10 of them at a time, but they're like $8 each. Almost 9. So when I can get more, I will. We'll definitely open some more. My mom got me for Easter mini books, so I need a bookshelf for that. Well, no, I have a bookshelf. So I can put them on my bookshelf, but I have my fridge. I just need a dollhouse to do this with, like put all this stuff in. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed.